Hello, children. Very good evening to you all. Very good evening to you all, children. How are you all doing? Great. Yes? Very good evening to you all, children. So, what did you do today? Tell me, what did you do today? Did you sleep in the afternoon? Yes, did you sleep in the afternoon? No, you have not slept in the afternoon? Very good, children. So, tell me if there are any new students today in the class. So, very good evening to you all, children. So, now can you tell me how is the weather like for you now? How is the weather like for you all? It's like cloudy. For us here, it's like cloudy. And what about you? Great. Very good, children. So, can you all tell me now? Can you all tell me which day is
Can you
today?
all tell me which day is Can you
today?
all tell me which day is Can you all tell
Which day is today, children? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. So, children, now can you all tell me how many days are there in a week and what are they? There are 7 days in a week. There are, show me your 7 fingers. Everybody now quickly count and open 7 fingers. 7 here like this. Very good. There are 7 days in a week. And what are they? They are Sunday, 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 Monday, Sunday. Sunday. Everybody should read out loudly now. Okay. Come on, children. Come on, quickly now. Read out loudly. Sunday. 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 Monday. 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 Tuesday. 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 Wednesday. Wednesday. It's called Wednesday. 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 Thursday. Thursday. Mansa, look here. Thursday. Thursday. Ritanya, Lukesh. Thursday. Thursday. Shashant, you are new to class. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 4:40 p.m., I'll come live to give preschool learning sessions. So, and next is Friday. 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 Saturday. 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 So, children, these are the days of the week. What are these? These are the days of the week. So, children, now shall we all sing this song of the days of the week? Yes, start singing. Monday, Tuesday. You have to put your hand like this, okay? You have to put your hand like this and start singing now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Okay, children? That's good. Once again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Okay, children? That's great. So, you all should know the days of the week. Now, come on, everybody, stand up from your places. Quickly, quickly, everybody stand up from your places, children. Stand up from your places, all of you. Very good. Very good. Now come on, everybody, start jumping. Jump up high and touch the sky. Jump, jump, jump. Everybody, come on quickly now, start jumping. Jump up high and touch the sky. Jump up high and touch the sky. Jump, jump. Everybody should stand up and jump now. Children, come on quickly. Very good. Jump up high and touch the sky. Very good, children. Now come on, everybody. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around now. Turn around. Turn around. Arush, Mira, Priya, Ditya, Nitya, Sneha, Sana. Come on, Akshaya. Everybody turn around, children. Chirag, Ditya, Manit. Turn around. Turn around. Everybody turn around. Very good. Now come on, children. Everybody bend forward and touch your toes. Bend down and everybody touch your toes now like this. And bend backside as much as possible. Oh my God, I'm about to fall. Please pull me, pull me. Oh my God. Thank you. So once again, bend forward and touch your toes and bend backwards as much as possible. Once again, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Almost there. Good job. Very nice, Aditri. Good. So now, what is next? What is next? Can you tell me what is the next warm-up exercise? Put your hands on your hips and rotate your hips round 4 times clockwise, 4 times anti-clockwise. All right, children, come on, start doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Once again, come on, round and round and round and round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thus, you are a new student. Welcome to the class. Come on, once again in the reverse direction now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Good job. Come on, everybody. Put your hands on your shoulders. Tap your shoulders like this. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everybody should tap your shoulders. Can you give a tap on my shoulder once? Oh, show me your shoulder. I would like to tap once. Ta-dan, 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 ta-dan. Very good. Now come on, all of us. Let's do together. Okay. Start doing it along with me. Everybody, join your elbows like this. Children, join your elbows like this. Saras, you are a new student. Welcome, baby. Join your elbows like this and rotate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great. And now once again join your elbows and do it in the reverse direction. Okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 last. Good job. Very good, children. All of you put your hands forward like this now. Rotate your wrist round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, children. Now in the other direction. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 last. Good job. Very good. Very good, children. Now, all of you, sit down. Sit down, everybody. Sit down, sit down, sit down. And close your eyes. Not like this. Just close your eyes like this. Okay. I want you all to close your eyes now. Close your eyes, children. Very good. Now, come on, take a deep breathe inside. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. All right, children. Very good. Now, what is next? Rub your palms and put it onto your eyes. Once again, rub your palms and put it onto your eyes once again. Once again, rub your palms and put it onto your eyes. Very good, children. All right, now everybody quickly should show me your different body parts. All right, great. Come on, let's start. Can you all show me where is your head now? Children, show me where is your head. Where is your head? Where is your shoulder? Show me where is your shoulder. Very good. Show me where is your face. Face. Where is your face? This is your face. Can you show me where is your neck now? Neck. Where is your neck? Where is the baby's neck? Can you show me the baby's neck over here? Very good. Can you all show me your chest now? Okay. Good job. Can you all show me your elbows now? Where is your elbow? This is called elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Can you all show me where are your hands, children? Where are your hands now? These are my hands. Can you all show me where is your leg? Here you go. Good job. And where are your ankles? Look here. This is your ankle. This is your ankle. Can you show me where is the baby's diaper? Where is the baby's diaper? The baby is wearing a diaper. Here it is. Do you also wear a diaper? Yes? No? Diaper yes or no diaper? Tell me in my ears quietly. Good job. So some of you must be wearing diapers still. And here you go. This is the face, baby's face. And listen to me, children. Most of you know only these main body parts, and most of you don't know these body parts and still more body parts. So I'm showing it today to make sure you learn each and every part of the body, not just hands and legs, neck, eyes, and all, but there's still more body parts which you have to learn actually. All right, children. Here you go. Come on. Can you show me where is your hair? This is your hair. This also you know, I am sure. Show me your eyebrows. Eyebrows. Where are your eyebrows? Can you brow your eyebrows like this? These are your eyebrows. Eyebrows. Can you show me where are your eyelids? Eyelid. Can you see my eyelid? Can you show me your eyelids to me now? Come closer. I'm not able to see from here. Here you go. Eyelids. Very good. Now can you show me where are your ears, children? Very good. Your ears are here. Now can you show me where are your eyes? Very good, children. Can you show me where is your tongue now? Tongue. Very good. Can you all show me where are your teeth? Very good. Can you show me your nose now? Nose. This is your nose. Where are your eyes? Blink your eyes. Everybody should blink your eyes now. Blink your eyes, children. Blink your eyes. Very good. That's great. Where is your chin? Children, show me where is your chin now. Chin. Dimple chin. Dimple chin. Dimple chin. Very good. Now, do you know we also have kids with different colored hair like this? Can you show me which one is your hairstyle? Do you have brown hair, or do you have straight hair, or you have red color hair, or you have black color hair? Which color hair you have? Just check. Oh, I have black color hair. And what about your hair? Black, straight. And how about your hair? Brown, curly, black, straight. You should know your hair. And eyes. I am having kind of brown eyes. What about your eyes? Do you have brown eyes or black eyes or what? Show it to me. I'll tell you once. Everybody show it to me like this. Oh, you have black eyes. Oh, yours is brown. Most of you have black and brown, and few of you can also have blue eyes. Okay, now what's next? Oh, so many body parts in hands and legs as well. Let's see what they are. Can you all show me your fingers now? Can you all show me your fingers now? Fingers. Here are your fingers. Very good. Can you all show me your nails now? Nails. Very good. These are your nails. So show me, everybody, show me your nails like this. Did you cut your nails? Everybody should cut your nails. Show me your nails like this. I want everyone to cut your nails. Cut your nails. Come on, everybody. You have to cut your nails to keep them clean and neat. Okay. Good job. Now, next is your thumb. Where is your thumb? Daddy finger. Thumb. This is your thumb. 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 Say hi to my thumb finger. This is the thumb finger. This is the forefinger. Forefinger. Middle finger. Middle finger. Ring finger. Ring finger. Little finger. Little finger. Okay. Can you show me where is your wrist now? Wrist. This is your wrist. I have a watch on my wrist. What do you have? Show me your wrist and wrist watch like this. Do you have a wrist, children, like this? Wrist. You can also have a bracelet, bangle, or a watch. Okay. Very good. Next is legs. My legs and feet. So children, remember the fingers of hands are only called as fingers, whereas fingers of legs are called toes. Toe, toe, toe. Legs fingers are called toes. Toes. Touch your toes, bend down and touch your fingers. Will not say like that. Bend down and touch your fingers is wrong. Bend down and touch your toes. Toes means fingers of legs. Okay. And this is called big toe. Big toe. Big toe. Touch your big toe. Come on, everybody. Bend down and touch your big toe. Touch your big toe. Touch your big toe. Bend down. Very good. This is the big toe. And these are toes. This is called foot. This is called foot. This is called palm. Get the difference, okay? This is called palm. This is called foot. This is called palm. This is called foot. And this is called heel. Heel. Ankle. Leg and knees. These are the different parts of the legs. So if you have really liked the session, if you're coming for the first time to the class, please hit the like button and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will come live every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 4:40 in the evening to give preschool lessons. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe because there's so much of preschool relevant content in this channel. You can happily make use of it sitting at home, and you can also have these free live sessions which are there every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 4:40 in the evening. Please hit a like because I see about 345 parents watching the show and not liking the class. Why? Great. Okay. Now, oh my god, these are the different baby faces. Can you also make faces like this? Yes. Can you make faces like this? Water bottle. అట్లా సార్కి రమ్మన్నా ఒకసారి. Baby faces. These are all the different baby faces. Okay. Okay, these are the different baby faces. Now, can you all show me your happy baby face? Happy baby face. I'll share you the video on AirDrop. Can you all show me your happy face? Like this, happy. Can you all show me your sad little faces? Show me your sad face. Very good. Can you all show me your surprise? Surprise. Children, everybody show me your surprise. This is surprised face. Can you show me your excited face? Excited. Oh, excited. Very good. Can you show me your laughing baby face? Laughing baby face. How to join 9 to 11 class? Check the description, please. Baby. Come on, everybody. Show me your laughing faces. This is your laughing face. Very good. Can you show me your thoughtful face? Thoughtful. How do you show? That is your thoughtful face. That is your thoughtful face. What is that, children? It's your thoughtful face. Okay. Please. Tired. Can you all show me your tired faces? Tired. How do you show if you are tired? Tired. Okay. Can you show me your crying faces now? Crying. How do you cry? Crying faces. Very good. Can you all show me your angry faces? Angry face. What happened to you? Why are you not listening to the class? Look here, everybody now. This is called angry face. This is angry face. Rudransh. This is called Lekya. You are new to the class. Welcome to the class. This is called angry face. What happened to you? So, children, if you are looking to join for the online classes in the morning session, I have given the link in the description or the details with respect to that in the description box below. You can check and get in contact with me for the classes which you can take in the morning. Okay. These evening classes are free, which are live classes every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 4:40 in the evening. Else, you can also join to our online classes and the details are given in the description box here. You can just go back and check. All right. Come on, children. What all you can do? If you have liked the session, you can still hit a like. Yashas, you are showing all the faces. Wow, very good, Yashas. Keep it up. Good job, Yashas. So, children, what can you do? Can you all sit down now? Can you all sit down? Can you all sit down? Okay, see, you must have messaged me in WhatsApp. I will definitely check and reply back to you. Maybe not now, maybe tonight, because I am like quite busy to just check and get back to you. So many messages coming up. I'll get back to you. You please do a message to me, but please don't call me because I may not be there always to lift or pick the call and tell you. Because, for example, now see, I'm in the class, and if you call me, my phone is somewhere else. Again, I will definitely not go back and call you. That is the reason I always ask parents to leave a message at any time, midnight, 1, 2. Also, I'll check and reply. If a call is missed, I cannot call back. Okay, so please make sure to message me on WhatsApp. All right. I may be late in reply, but I will definitely reply. That's what. But don't call me because I may miss your calls. That's why. You leave a message to me. Nicely, I'll have a conversation with you there. Thank you so much, Veena Prasanna, madam. All right, fine, great. Veena, you are a new student. Please subscribe to my channel. You get so many nice videos. I'm really surprised to see so many new students still. New students, welcome to my class. Once again, I'm saying every Monday, Wednesday, Friday evening 4:40 p.m. I'll come live. There's so much of exciting content that I teach, and it's really very nice. You can make use of these 1 hour's time to help your kids learn some or the other thing. Manit, you also like my class? I also love you all, children. That is the reason even today it's a festival. I came just to give a class to you. Deebu. Okay, Rohit is a new student. Very good. So, for more details regarding my online classes, again and again, I'm saying you go back and check in my description box of the live session. Okay. Come on, children. Everybody, come on, sit down now. Sit down, sit down. Mitran, I love you too. Aradhya, I love you too. I love all my students. They are my best companion. Now, 8 years, I'm in preschooling. And I'm always with kids only and nobody else. And that is the reason maybe I'm so happy always because I'm always surrounded with only kids. Come on. Children, now everybody sit down. Sit down. Very good. Crawl, crawl, crawl like a baby. Can you all crawl like a baby now? Yes, I love you, baby. You're new to class, but I see you commenting to all my videos. I thought you are an old student, Yashas. All right, come on, everybody, crawl, 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 crawl like a baby. Everybody, come on now, crawl like a baby. Wow, lovely. Good job. And can you play with a ball? Do you have a ball with you? So, children, have you seen one of my videos? I shared some nice games with the ball, outdoor games. Try those. Okay. Rotating the ball around your stomach and walking along with the ball. Just go back and check that video. That's a very nice video. Can you do drawing? Can you all do drawing? Oh, you can draw. So, can you once draw and show me a circle in the air now? Circle in the air. Come on, everybody, draw a circle in the air like this. Draw a circle in the air like this. Can you draw a big circle? A big circle, a round circle. Now, can you draw a small circle? A small circle, a round circle. Very good. Can you draw a circle in the air? Can you draw a big circle? Big circle, a big circle. Now, can you draw a small circle? A small circle, a round circle. Very good, children. Now, Can you all stand up? Can you all stand up like this baby boy here? Stand up. Very good. Very good. Now everybody tell me which color dress did you wear today? Can you tell me which color dress did the teacher wear today? I wore brown color dress. And what is the color of your dress? Tell me what is the color of your dress? Red? Oh, pink? Oh, is it yellow? Or is it blue? Is it green? Is it white? Don't know. Okay, let me show you some colors then. Is this the color you are wearing today? Is it yellow color? No. See children, I will show you all the colors. If you are wearing the exact color, then say yes like this. If you are not wearing the correct color, then say no like this. Okay? Done? Start. Are you wearing a yellow color dress today? Yes or no? Show me no. Yellow. Very good. Are you wearing a red color dress today? Show me yes or no. Everybody should show yes or no. Kids, I want you to show yes or no. Are you wearing a blue color dress today? Are you wearing a blue color dress today? Okay. Are you wearing an orange color dress today? Very good. Are you wearing a pink color dress today? Pink. Which color dress you are wearing then? Is it white color? Or is it black color? Vishnu Vaibhav, which color dress you are wearing today? Or is it purple color? Most of the girls will follow all my actions. Somebody wrote here, my daughter is following. All the girls are doing like me nowadays. Are you wearing a brown color dress? Yes or no? Oh, I did not show you an important color. Are you wearing a green color dress then? Then which color? All the colors are over. That's it. Now come on, I'll show you again colors. Tell me which color is this one? I have an orange color cup. Which color cup do you have? Can you tell me which color is this one now? Very good. Can you tell me which color is here? Children, come on, tell me which color is this one? Good job. Can you tell me which color is this one? Very good. And once again, if you have really liked the session, please hit a like button. And for those who are coming to my channel for the first time, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, because there is so much of beautiful preschool related content which you will really love. And if you are planning to join your child to our online classes, the details are there right in the description box below of this live classes. You can just go back, get in touch with me only on WhatsApp, because please don't call me. I may not receive your call because I get so many calls, and I cannot receive the call because I may be in the classes or maybe somewhere away. If you leave a message, I'll check and definitely get back to you. Okay. All right. Leave a message. Thank you so much. Even at night or early in the morning, anytime I will reply to your message. But if you call me, I cannot call you back. You're wearing white color. I already showed you this one. You missed it out, baby. This is your color dress. Happy now, Rudransh. Very good. Come on, children. Tell me which color is this one now. Great. Yellow. Which is this one? Red color. Can you give me one example of the fruit which is red in color? Can you tell me which fruit is red in color? Apple, mango, mango is yellow in color. Apple, strawberry, cherry, and anything else, children? Apple, strawberry, cherry. Can you give me few more examples? Only three. Okay. Can you tell me which color is here? It's orange color. And can you tell me watermelon inside it is red and outside it is green, orange color. Can you tell me some examples of fruits which are orange in color? It's orange itself. Very good. Can you tell me some fruits which are yellow in color? Think, children. Tell me some fruits which are yellow in color now. Mango. Very good. Mango is a classic example. Orange carrot. Yes, don't forget that, children. I don't know why I always keep forgetting carrot when it is orange color. Mango and what else we have? Lemon. Very good. Mango and lemon. Can you tell me something which is green in color? Vegetables are mostly green in color, like your lady's finger, chilies, and so many vegetables. Green peas, cluster beans, everything is green in color. But can you tell me a fruit which is green in color? Green apple is green in color. Pear is green in color. Kiwi is green in color from inside. Very good. Guava is green in color. Avocado is also green in color. Yes, all the green leafy vegetables are green in color. Okay, children. Okay, don't forget. Now, can you tell me which color is this one? It's blue color. Blue color. And what are those few fruits which are blue in color? Now, it's a tough job. What color, madam? Blue color mein kya rehta hai? What is there? We have blueberries, which are blue in color. All right, children, we have blueberries. Sky is blue. I'm asking about the eatables which are blue in color. Okay, very good. So, all done. Jackfruit is green in color. Yes. Can you tell me something, one eatable which is brown in color? Can you tell me one eatable which is brown in color? Coconut. Coconut is brown in color. Once again, I'm saying if you are looking for online classes or anything so like that, just check my description box below and leave a message to me. I'll get back to you, okay? And here we are. Come on, children, now everybody close your eyes like this. Close your eyes, everybody close your eyes like this. Close your eyes, all of you close your eyes. Can you all see me now? Yes, Chiku is an example for brown color. Very good. Can you close your eyes, everybody close your eyes? And tell me, can you all see me now? You shouldn't peep like this. Close your eyes. Can you all see me now? No. But why? Think. When you close your eyes, you're not able to see me. Why? Can anybody think and tell me the answer, children? If you close your eyes, we cannot see anything around. If you open your eyes, you can see everything around. Because we see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Okay? We see with our eyes. Eyes to see. 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 Now quickly everybody tell me what all things you are able to see around you. I can see. What do you see? A jackfruit tree. Yes, we have it in our school. I think I have already showed it to you one day. What do you see? A slide. What do you see? A merry-go-round. What do you see? A cradle. What do you see? A sky. Now you tell me, what do you see? Tell me, what do you see? Jashvika, what do you see? What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? Very good. Good job. Nice, children. So, remember, eyes to see. To see. Eyes to see. Okay. Very good. Everybody close your ears like this or like this. Close your ears, everybody. Close your ears. Close your ears. All of you should now close your ears. Close your ears, everybody. Very good. I want everybody to close your ears now. Very good, children. Now, if you like the session, hit a like button. There. Very good. Now, everybody close your ears. That's why I'm not here. Now open your ears. Can you listen to me? Did you did you hear my voice before when you close your ears? When you open your yes? Once again, everybody quickly close your ears. Can you listen to my voice now? Yes, good job. When you close your ears, you are not able to hear anything. When you open your ears, you can listen everything. Okay. Okay. Now I am closing my ears. I want you all to speak out loudly. Let's see. Let's see if I can listen your voice. Okay. Come on, close your ears. Are you talking to me? I'm not able to listen anything. I'm not able to hear from you, children. I'm not able to hear anything. Shout loudly, still more loudly. Still, I'm not able to hear because I'm closing my ears. Now, come on, shout. I can listen. I can listen to you. Hi, Dia. How are you, baby? Dia, look here. So, the thing is, ears are to hear. Ears are to hear. We hear with our ears. Okay. Ears are to listen. All right, children. Now, what is the next thing? Close your nose, everybody. Can you smell anything? No, if you close your nose, you cannot smell anything. Open your nose. You can smell a coffee like that. You can smell any fruits or flowers or everything around you if you open your nose. Nose too. Breathing is still fine, but I did not say because we also breathe with our mouth. Come on, smell this rose flower, everybody. Wow, very nice. Very good. All right, children. So, nose to smell, eyes to see, ears to hear. And everybody, show me your tongue now. Show me your tongue. All of you, show me your tongue. Show me your tongue. Pull out your tongue. Come on, I will pull out your tongue. Very good. Tongue to taste. Tongue to taste. Yes, you are pretending as if you are swelling a flower. Very good. Tongue to taste. Ice cream, yummy, yummy ice cream and noodles, everything we taste with our tongue. So, tongue is to taste. Okay, children. Very good. Next, skin. Skin. Skin is to feel. Skin is to feel. Ouch. Pinch yourself, everybody. Pinch yourself. Ouch. Did you feel the pain? Skin is to feel. Skin is to feel. If it is hot, you feel hot. If it is cool, you feel it cool. So, skin is to feel. Skin is to feel. Come on, everybody, pinch your parents who is sitting right beside you right now. Ouch. Skin is to feel. Okay, come on now. What will you do quickly? You put your hands like this and shout in your parents' ears. "Woo!" Tell them if they can listen that voice sound. Do you want to see the kids here? See. See here. The child is closing the eyes. He can't see anything. Now the child can see. The baby is smelling the flower. Can you see it here? The baby is smelling a flower. And here the baby is hearing. He's talking on a phone. Here the baby is tasting. Taste. Here the baby is touching. Touching. Okay. And what else do we have? What else? Counting the babies. Do you all like to count the babies here on the book, children? Would you like to count the babies? Come on, everybody. I will keep the book like this for you. Count all the babies and tell me how many babies are here, okay? Come on, start counting. Everybody start counting the babies. Count the baby. Very good. How many babies are here? Here there are 10 babies. 10 babies. Very good. So, children, now can you point out to the baby who is wearing a yellow color dress? Can you now point out to the baby wearing yellow color dress? Yellow and black. Very good. Here he is. Can you point out to the baby wearing sky blue color dress? Can you point out to the baby wearing sky blue color dress? Very good. Can you point out to the baby wearing a red color dress now? Very good. Can you point out to the baby wearing white and blue stripe? White and blue striped dress. White and blue stripes. Zebra is having stripes, no? Black and white stripes. Those are called stripes. Can you point out to the baby wearing white and blue striped dress? Now, can you point out to the baby wearing white and orange color dress? White and orange stripes. Can you point out to the baby wearing green color dress? Green, green. Can you point out to the baby wearing a what? Whom we missed? Can you now tell me? Baby is wearing suspenders. White and blue suspender, blue and yellow suspenders. Okay, children. Very good. Good job. You did great today. So don't forget to come live every Monday, Wednesday, Friday evening 4:40 p.m. I'm not seeing so many students attending the session. You have to attend the session because if there are so many students, I will also give nice class to you. Now 10 minutes are there. Quickly, I will take you through a story. Okay, nice story. So parents, now once listen to me. I'm here showing you a beautiful story. After this session is over, you can show them this. This will be recorded. I think most of you know that this is already recorded, so that you can go back and show this story. And once they however see the pictures here, they will memorize it. You can retell the story, ask them to retell the story again and again. So stories are very important for kids to create an imagination. Okay, 10 minutes more. Stay back, listen to the story now. Hi Purvi, good evening. You joined just now. I see some students from our school also. Good. All right, come on, children. First, look at this picture, children, and can you tell me, Adish, are you there, Adish? Stories are your favorite. No, Adish, are you there in the class today? Hmm. Purvi, look at the story now. Samrid, look at the story. Tanushri, hi, baby. Now, look at the card and tell me what is happening in the story. Upasana, Dhanu, Gautam. Thank you so much, Dribu, ma'am. All right, all right. Once we will finish the story and then we can talk, okay, for some time. Now, come on, children, look at the story and tell me what is happening in the story. In the story, in the story, what do you see? You can see two birds sitting on a branch, isn't it, children? You can see two birds sitting on a branch, and we can also see some flowers and some leaves. Okay, once, and what is this bird called? It's a sparrow. It's a sparrow. It's a sparrow. Once, Miss Sparrow said to Mr. Sparrow, oh, they are parents. Mommy Sparrow, Daddy Sparrow. Once, Miss and Mr. Sparrow said, we need a house. Oh my god, they don't have a house. It is going to rain soon. Let's go find a house, said Mr. Sparrow. So they went to a house hunt. Okay, they thought they should have a house and they went to see a nice house for them. Then what happened? Then what happened? When they are flying and flying, they saw nice hole in the tree. Hole in the tree. They thought this place is nice. Let's live inside this. Both of them thought this place is nice. Let's live inside this. Miraf, look here. Okay. So let's Pressy, you are just 3.5 years and enjoying the class. Great. Keep it up, baby. Moses, you like the story? Very good, Moses. You are also from our school, no? All right, fine. Look, so they both thought they saw a hole, no, in the tree. What did they think? They thought, oh, this hole is nice. Let's go and stay there. They thought, okay. But what happened? As soon as they tried to get inside, they saw a squirrel inside. And they thought, oh, this house is already taken by a squirrel. We need to go and find out some other house, is what they thought. Okay. What did they think? This house is already taken. Let's go and find some other house, is what they thought. Okay. Then what did they see? They saw a house with a red color flag here. Did you see this, children? They saw a house with a red color flag. Then what did the sparrow, mommy sparrow and daddy sparrow thought? Let's go and stay there in this house. That looks nice, they thought. Then what happened? Once they went near to that, They saw, oh my god, this is a letter box. I thought it's a box where we can stay in, thought the mommy and daddy parrot. Okay, what is it, children? It's the letter box. Look, let's look for another house. Mr. Sparrow saw a big house with a large window. Mr. Sparrow, we can go and stay there. Okay, children, they thought to stay here, but this is again, they did not work for them. And what did they see? They saw a big house with a window like this, and they thought, let's go and stay there. Okay, let's go and stay there. Then what happened? Then what happened? Near the window, we can build our nest, is what they thought. Can you tell me, where do a bird live? Bird live? Where do a bird live, children? The bird lives in a nest. Bird lives in a nest. So now they saw a very big house, they saw a nice window, and they thought, okay, this place is nice. Now let's collect some sticks and twigs and some cotton to build our house. They thought they both should go and collect some sticks to build a nest there. Okay. Then what happened? Both of them worked together and nicely built a nest. Both of them worked together and nicely built a nest, and they lived in the nest happily thereafter. So what is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? First is, we should not give up on anything till the time we find a solution or a result. Okay, we should not give up things quickly. Okay, children, you should not give up things quickly. If you don't know how to write, don't give up. Keep practicing. You are just 3 years old. Till 30 years of age, you can learn everything. So, don't give up. You should not give up. Okay? You should keep practicing, keep learning. Learning is a continuous process. Learning will never end anywhere. You even now I'm learning. Do you know that? Even now I'm learning so much to teach you. So you should not give up any time. And what is the second moral of the story? You have to help each other. Here the mommy parrot did not say, I will stay here, you please go and search a home, you please go and build a nest, I'll come and nicely sleep. She did not say like that. Whatever we do, you have to do it together. Everybody should help each other because we are all a family. So everybody's got equal responsibility in doing things at home. You should not say, I did this one, I did that one, I don't want to do this. No, it is everyone else's, everybody's house, and everybody should take equally responsible to do things at home. And then thereafter, they lived happily ever after. Okay, children. Fine. So this is a very nice story. You should, with these small stories, there is a very big moral behind the story. Okay, which actually suits us as well. So as parents, it is our responsibility to take care of kids, to take care of family, everything around. We cannot say, I'm doing this job so I don't want to do that. No, because if you all want to be happy, you all should participate equally. All right, children. Fine. You should not complain. Stop complaining. Start enjoying. Hope you really liked the story, and don't give up. If your kids are not learning today, tomorrow, have patience. They will learn. They will learn. They will still learn. 10 days they are not. They will still learn. Hope. Ray of hope is very important. Okay.